Hello friends, good morning. Today we will discuss on commodities and on its important level for the day 17th June 2020. Yesterday we have noticed that gold and silver were traded on a positive note. Yesterday gold increased by 1.15% and silver increased by 0.47%. This was due to the weakness in dollar and also uncertainty in the global financial market, which provide a safe haven demand and investment demand in the gold. Yesterday we have seen that gold prices are trading on a range bound moment, but since the trend is positive, so we expect a positive trend will continue in gold and silver. For intraday perspective, gold has a strong support at 47,200 and resistance at 47,750. Silver has a strong support at 48,000 and resistance at 48,750. So for intraday perspective, we are recommending to buy gold and silver on a dip, and we expect a positive trend may be seen in the gold and silver prices. Now let's talk about the base metal. Yesterday we have noticed that all base metal were traded on a range bound movement on a sideways trend. However, today we are seeing that base metals open with a negative note on the back of uncertainty in the world financial market and weakness in dollar. So this will give a negative trigger for the base metals. However, we expect some demand will increase in the base metal, but right now due to the increasing in the coronavirus cases, so we expect some low demand in the base metal. So we expect a negative trend may be seen in the base metal prices. For the copper intraday levels are as follows. Copper has a strong support at 439 and resistance at 445. Zinc has a strong support at 157 and resistance at 161. So we expect a negative trend will be continue in the base metal for intraday perspective. So we recommend to sell in base metals. Now if we talk about the crude oil prices, yesterday we have seen that crude oil prices have increased by 5.21% on the back of the positive comments from the OPEC towards the production cut by the major OPEC members. However, today we have noticed that crude oil prices open with a gap down, almost 3% down at 2845 levels. Crude oil prices in international market are trading at 37.33 levels. Currently, if we check the technical charts, crude oil prices are trading on a resistance zone. So we are expecting some profit booking may be seen in the crude oil prices. For intraday perspective, crude oil has a strong support at 2860 and resistance at 2980. Crude oil has a second support at 2790. And international market, crude oil has a strong support at 35.70 and resistance at 38.10. We are expecting some profit booking could be seen in the crude oil prices, so we recommend sell on higher levels in crude oil prices. Now let's talk about the agricultural commodity. Yesterday we have noticed that in agriculture segment all are trading with a negative note on the back of the good expectation of good monsoon. So this will impact a negative for the agricultural commodities. Yesterday we have noticed that soybean prices were traded on a sideways movement, and today it's opening with a gap down, and spices are also trading on a sideways trend. However, the export demand and the domestic demand will support the agricultural commodities, but on the back of the expectation of good monsoon, and monsoon is going to hit Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh very soon, so this will impact negatively for agricultural commodity for the shorter term. So we expect some profit booking, some selling pressure could be seen in the agriculture prices. We hope that you will be benefited while trading in commodities from this commentary. So stay with us for more interesting discussions. Thank you.